Why should I use ASIN targeting instead of keyword targeting? So basically, keywords are searching intent and ASINs are shoppers already comparing products. This is really important for you to know, because what we are noticing is that for some categories it's cheaper for us to target exact search terms or exact keywords. In this case, they're not yet search terms. In other categories, such as supplements, where one CPC for the one keyword might cost even $20, we might be considering targeting first product pages, because someone probably already clicked within the listing and they are considering it, they are considering the listing or the product, but they're not really sure. They're scrolling down and they see our product there. And then, oh, actually, this is actually what I was paying for. So then the strategy there would be that they are going to pay the higher click, like CPC amount, and eventually, if they choose our product, we are going to be showing up under their product. So in that case, if the ASIN targeting is cheaper, technically what we are doing, we are engineering for ourselves a way to pay less for advertising. Again, when it comes down to PDP, it's really important. When it comes down to ASIN targeting, we would be piggybacking on someone else's listing. Example, if our listing is way better than theirs, clearly we should be using ASIN targeting. We would not replace exact keyword targeting with ASIN, simply because the two are going to convert differently, and that is also important. And when you see that there are any products that you're targeting in this type of campaigns that are ASIN targeting, that are not relevant, you would be negate this. This is really important, because what can happen is, if you don't have those in exact match, but maybe as expression, or how it's called, no, that's the shortening on inside bulk files. So there's a way how to have exact match and how to have products similar to that. So if you are setting up for products similar to that, so not exact match of the same ASIN, it can be that you're getting products that are similar to it, yet it's not going to convert. It's really important to negate those products.